Welcome, guys. Welcome. Today, we're going to be talking about three factors here, what we're seeing right here currently. If you guys can see here, these are the three or major topics we're going to be treating today. And, first is introduction to forex trading. Now, as we all know, most of us on here are very, very new to forex trading, and we don't know what forex trading is all about. What forex is all about, and most people don't know the meaning of FX. FX simply means foreign exchange. Are you with me, guys? FX simply means foreign exchange. And now, what is forex trading? What do we do? What does forex trading entails here? And this is it. Forex trading simply means I'm buying and selling of what currency, exchanging one currency to another. What we do is just what we just buy and sell. Are you with me, guys? We just buy and sell. And there's one thing I always tell most of my students here. I'm gonna be telling you all today. I don't want you coming into fixing forex trading like something like you guys feel as a platform where you guys feel you can actually what come here, make money real quick, and then you leave. I want you to take forex trading as a business, grow it with time. With time, it's going to definitely what make our money for you guys. It's going to definitely make our money for you, but don't just come trying to like, okay, I want to change the story of my family. I want to change my story. I don't like being poor, this, that. But I want you guys to change that mindset. Yeah. You guys should change that mindset. See forex trading as a business. You come here and let it grow, give it time, let it grow. Consistency is the key. If you're coming here to like, okay, I want to make money real quick with forex, definitely you're going to keep losing money. It happened to me. Yeah. It happened to me. And when I realized, then I realized that forex trading is not about you coming into the market and trying to like make money and then you leave. You understand? So I'm still going to be telling you guys, I'm going to be telling you guys today, take forex as a business. Just imagine you starting a business today. You don't expect to make profit that same, let's say that same month or 2 months or 3 months after. It takes time. Yeah, forex trading should also play out same way. Forex trading should also what play out same way. And now, with that being said, yeah, there are five major forex pairs that is being traded in the market, which are what you're seeing right here on the screen, guys. What you're seeing currently on the screen, which is we have Euros USD, we have the Euros USD, we have the GBP USD, we have the USD JPY, we have USD CHF, and then we have AUD USD. These are the five major currency forex pairs, and they are the most traded pairs. Now, if you see most of the times I open so many charts, if you most of my members know that I open a lot of charts, but most of pairs I actually look out on it's gold. I would have included gold on this, but then it is not part of what beginners should be looking out for because it's very volatile. So this what you guys are seeing currently right here is the major forex pair, and this is what you all should be trading. Now you can decide to like pick amongst all these five major pairs. You can actually pick either one or two to look out to trade. Are you me, guys? You should actually what pick out one or two for you to what trade. Most of you can actually still pick out one. You can still trade both. You can trade all at the same time. At the same time, you can still what choose just one pair to trade. Now that as you all know, I believe everyone is actually writing something down. Today we're not going to be going into the chat or doing whatever. It's more like an introduction into forex trading and so many more. And then as we all know, I'm not going to be teaching everything. I mean, me guys, I'm not going to be teaching everything because if I'm to do that, we're going to be taking so much of our time, and we're gonna be spending more than a month because I'm just gonna be skipping some parts of this, and then I would write topics here for you guys to go watch on YouTube. And if you have any questions, you can just throw it to my DM. You understand, guys? But based on, I'm still going to teach you all you need. But then there are some aspects I won't touch. But then I will tell you guys should go watch a video pertaining to that particular topic. Now, as we all know, these are the five major forex pairs. And now these particular pairs you guys are seeing right here are all quoted in what they are all paired in you call them quote currency and base currency. Now, what is a base currency? A base currency is the first currency that appears at every forex pair. Now, if you guys can see EUR right here, which is euros. EUR you guys are seeing right here is the what? Is the base currency. EUR you guys are seeing here is the what? Is the base currency because it's the first what currency pair that appears. And now USD you guys are seeing right here is the what? Is the quote currency because it's the what? Second currency pair that appears. Every first major pair that appears is called the base currency. And the second what pair, the second currency that appears is called quote currency. And now there's some logic, there's some scenario, something I actually want to tell you guys. Let me delete this off. Now we're having, let's assume we're having, let's assume we're having EUR USD. We're having EUR. So let me take this off. Let's use this. Let's have we're having this. Now we're gonna be using these two pairs. Let me take this off. Hold on, guys. Let me take this off. We're gonna be using just two pairs. Now we're gonna be using EUR. Sorry, EUR. Let's use GBP and USD JPY. Let's use that and USD JPY. Yeah, USD JPY. Now, if you guys can see what we have here on the screen, you can see now on USD JPY, USD is not the base currency, it's not the quote currency here. You can see right here is what? It's the quote currency because it's the what? Second currency pair. While EUR right here is the what? Is the base currency. Now, look at what we're having right here. We're having USD right here as the first currency. This means USD. This means USD here is the what? Base currency because it's the what? First currency pair that appears. Now, USD right here is the base currency. Why JPY right here? JPY right here is the what? Quote currency. Let me take this off. Let me do a proper account drawing. We have USD here as the base currency, and then we have JPY as the quote currency. Now, guys, you guys seeing now USD right here is the quote, while USD right here is the base. Now, this thing actually affects the market. You guys should listen to me carefully. It actually what affects the market when they are what major news. Mind you, this particular pairs, there are two different pairs, but then when you're trading with fundamentals, you're still going to get there. But then let me bring this to the picture. When you guys are trading with fundamentals, you have to take note of this particular pair. That's if there is a news coming out on USD, you have to take note of these two currency right here, this currency right here, which is the USD right here. And now looking at EUR USD and USD JPY, they are totally different pairs. They are two different pairs. Now, if there is a news coming out on USD, now look at what's going to happen to EUR, what's going to happen to EUR, and what's going to happen to JPY. Now, let's assume the news comes out positive. Now, if the news is coming out positive, what's going to happen to USD JPY? Now, guys, USD JPY is the base currency. Why? USD here, USD JPY, USD on USD JPY. USD here is the base currency. Why JPY is the quote currency. Now we're going to be focusing on this particular currency, right here, which is USD. You guys listen. This is how news affects the market. Are you with me, guys? With this, I know most of us actually make this mistake here. New traders actually make this mistake. Now we're going to be focusing on what? This major of this what? Base currency right here. Now, if the news comes out positive, what's going to happen to USD here as the base currency? What's going to happen to USD as the base currency? The price will fly up. The price will fly up. If the news comes out positive that yes, USD is strong, what's going to happen to USD JPY? What's going to happen to USD JPY? USD here is going to what? Go up. Why USD right here? Because USD right here is the what? Coast currency. Sorry, don't mind my drawings, guys. USD right here is the quote currency. And then EUR here is the what? Is the base currency. Now you guys see me now. This year as the base currency, the news came out positive. What's going to happen? The market's going to what? Push to the upside. The market's going to push to the upside. And now USD here as the what? Quote currency Market's going to what? Make this go what? Go down. I believe everyone is with me. I believe everyone, we all are actually what? Writing something down. We are writing something down because we'll be needing this particular explanation. We're going to be needing this particular explanation. Now, let me delete this and explain again. Let me delete this and explain again. Now, we're going to be focused. For any time we are having a major news, guys, listen carefully. If we're having a major news, we're going to be focusing on what? The base currency. For you to understand what's going to, how the market is going to react, you should focus on what the base currency, on that particular what pair that the news is coming out on. Now we have a news coming out on USD. Don't worry, guys. I'm still going to explain fundamentals when we are deep in the class. When we are deep into the class, we're going to explain what fundamentals is. But then let me now bring this to your picture, how this whole thing actually what comes together. Now, we have the news coming out on USD. And now the news came out and then comes out positive. The news came out positive. The news came out positive. Now, what's going to happen to USD? And I said, we're going to be focused, our focus is going to be on this particular what? Currency right here, which is USD as the base currency. That's going to be our focus. That's going to be what? Our focus. Now, the news came out positive. If any news comes out positive, how is it going to react to the market? Now, USD as the base currency, guys, listen. USD as the base currency, if the market comes out positive, USD as the base currency is going to what? It's going to go up. USD as the base currency is going to what? It's going to go up. Because this is what? The base currency, which is the first currency pair, is going to what? Definitely go up. And now, USD here as the quote currency is going to what? It's going to come down. That means if you are to take trades on this, if the market comes out positive, and then, for example, now you see your analysis on USD, and then it's giving you a sell, it's giving you a sell. Now you now wait for your fundamentals. And now, if your fundamentals now aligns with what your current analysis on USD or USD JPY is telling you, then you can now take a sell now because the news came out positive. You can't be saying because the news came out positive, you should be buying euros USD. Are you with me, guys? Because I said USD right here is the base currency, and then if you're buying any USD pair as the base currency, you should buy it. Then at the same time, you're not buying EUR USD. No, if you're buying USD here as the base currency, if you're buying this, you should be what? Selling USD here as the quote currency. I want to believe we all are we are following with all this with this explanation. It's very easy. If you're buying this, you're selling what? You're selling this. Now with that being said, now let me now come to this last thing I want to tell you. Most traders actually make this mistake here. We actually make this mistake. Now, if you look see Forex as like I said at the beginning, I said look at Forex as a business. It's a business here. Now, we have buyers, we have sellers. Now, imagine you're coming into the market as a buyer. Now, you can't buy the market if sellers are not what? If the owner of the shop, okay, let's assume I am the owner of Forex store. Then you are coming to me to buy. If I'm not willing to sell to you, if you're not coming to buy, I would not sell. Are you guys with me? Listen carefully. If you are not coming to buy, I'm not going to be selling. And if I'm not selling anything to you, if I'm not selling any product, you guys wouldn't come to me to buy. Now, this is how the market works. Let me delete this. Let me now explain that scenario to you guys. Now, imagine we are in a bearish movement, right? You guys came to my shop to purchase a market, let's say you guys came to the market to purchase what? USD JPY. And now we have buyers starting from this point to this point. Let me delete this. Let me make this drawing very clear. We have buyers coming into the market, and now we have buyers from here to this point. Now you guys came to buy USD JPY. You guys bought USD JPY, and now I can't sell USD JPY if buyers are not in the market. Now you guys came to buy this. Now I should be selling to these buyers, right? I should be selling to what? All these buyers right here. I should be selling to them. Now that is when I now come in what? With my what? Short position. Now you see that most times my target will be here. This is where we now have, where sometimes we say we have break of structure. So I don't mind my writing, guy. Now I can't sell if new buyers don't come into the market. All these things I'm actually saying are something we're still going to discuss later in the class. We're still going to discuss all this. I just want you guys to have a brief what understanding about how all this works. Now imagine I can't sell. Now it's a bearish trend, guys. I can't sell this for new traders. If you're completely new, just write all these things down. You're going to be needing it. Now just write all this down. Like I said, I can't sell right from where I am currently because I sold to all these buyers. These buyers we're having right here, because we have buyers right from here to this point. Now I sold to all these buyers. Now I finished what? I have finished selling to all these buyers we're having right here. I finished selling to them. And now you can see I sold to all of them. Now, how can I sell again if buyers don't come into the market? Are you guys listening? And now I know with this breakdown, this is gonna look clearer to most of us right here. Now, buyers would come in again before I can sell. If buyers don't come into my shop, I will not be able to sell, right? If buyers don't come into my shop, I would not be able to sell a particular product. Now, buyers would now come in again. And now look at where we're having buyers again. We're having buyers right from here to this point. And I have to what? Sell to all this what? To all these buyers because they all came to my shop to purchase a particular product. Now, this is where I have to now sell to all these what? All these buyers again. I have to sell to all these buyers again. And I have to try to see sometimes now have what? Another break of structure for people who are not new to Forex trading. We now have another what? Break of structure. Now I've sold to all these what? All these buyers right here. And now I can't sell again if buyers don't come into the what? Into my what? Into my store to purchase a particular product. Now let's assume this is my product. USDJPY is my product. I can't sell USDJPY if buyers what? Don't come into the market. Now with that being said, I've used sell what? Explanation. Now let me now use bullish now. Buyers cannot buy any particular product if they are not what? Sellers who are willing to what? Sell a particular product. Now imagine this is my product and I want to sell it. We're like, okay, this EURUSD is for sale. So I don't mind my writing, guys. EURUSD is for sale. I want to sell it. Now, buyers will come into the what? I'm willing to what? Willing to what? Sell this. Now, this is for sale already. EURUSD is for sale. Sorry, let me take this off. EURUSD is out for what? For sale. Now, buyers came in. Now, look at this. This is for what? For sale. I want to sell what? I want to sell what? Sell this. Now, it's out for sale. I've advertised this particular product, which is what EURUSD. Now buyers are like, wow, I love this particular product. EURUSD is looking nice, looking cool. Should I buy? Okay, let me buy it. Now they now bought this particular product. Now they bought what? EURUSD. They bought EURUSD. Now that's where we now have what? A break of structure. For most people who are actually familiar with break of structure and all. Now they bought my product. Buyers cannot come into my store if I don't have a particular product to sell again. Now, after selling EURUSD, I was like, okay, there's another opportunity. And I went to like, okay, I imported new product, which is what? EURUSD. I imported new EURUSD. Let's use all this as what? As an example. Now, I now place it out for what? For sale again. Now, buyers are like, wow, there's another product for sale. EURUSD, this is new again. Wow, this is looking nice. This is looking great. Let's purchase this. This is looking nice. Now they now look to what? They now bought this what? They now bought this particular product again. And now this is we're now having what? Break of structure. Now they've bought the product again. Now I'm out of stock. And I purchase and now what? Imported new products. Now I'm not putting it out for what? Putting it out for sale again. This scenario is simply means I believe, let me just break this down. Simply means you can't have sellers if buyers don't come into the picture, and you can't have buyers if they are not sellers. That is what Forex trading is all about. There must be what? There must be buyers before sellers come in. There must be what? Buyers before sellers come in, and there must be what? Sellers before buyers comes in. If you're able to follow this simple strategy, Trust me, you guys are going to be killing the market. You guys are going to be killing what? Killing the market. There are lots more to be added to all this. But if you can follow this simple, this simple movement, this simple strategy, you guys are going to be what? Killing the market. You know, if you come to the market, like you're seeing, like I said, seeing Forex Trading as a store, okay, what's the market doing currently? It's up. Okay, buyers are in the market. Wow. Is there a product for me to buy yet? No. If you're seeing a particular market moving to the upside, we're like, okay, there is no product yet. Now let me now move to a live chart and then explain all that to you guys. Now, look at the trade we actually took here on Bitcoin USD. Let me go down to the daily time frame. I mean, now I've been holding this particular trade. Most of my VIP members can testify to this. I don't know if they are here. They can testify to this. Now look at what I was trying to tell you guys. Look at what we have here. Now look at this. Let me bring out my drawing to look at what we have here. Now, if you guys can see here, buyers came here to buy a product. Look at this. These are buyers right here. These are buyers. This bullish trend is they are buyers. Now, wow, they came to buy a particular product. Now, what am I going to be doing? I have to what? Sell to all of them. And then what happened? I sold to all of them. I sold to all of them. Buyers are here to purchase a product. And then I sold to all of them. And now, after selling, look at guys, after selling, are you guys seeing right here? Buyers came into the picture again. This is just a simple logic, guys. Buyers came into the picture again. And after buyers came into the picture, what happened again? I have to sell to all these buyers that are right here. Look at these buyers that we're having right here. All these buyers, I have to sell to all of them. And then what did I do? I sold to all of them. I sold to all of them. And now what can you guys see again? Buyers came into the picture. Let me delete this so it can be clear. Now buyers came into the picture. Let me take this out. Buyers came into the picture again. Look at guys. Buyers came into this picture again. Now I have to sell to all these buyers. And that was where I sold the market right from here. And I told my VIP members, I'm going to be holding this sell, and I'm still holding. If you guys see my screenshot, most of my screenshots, Bitcoin since last week have been holding. This is 2nd of September 2024. As you all know, I've been holding this particular trade since last week. If you guys see, I'm now selling back to all these buyers, and definitely the market would get here only if fundamental goes against it. Because what I mean by fundamental, their major news are actually what come out and then spike against us and go to the upside. But then, if fundamental does not go against this particular product will definitely get to this low. It's going to sell to all these buyers that came to my shop to purchase. And you guys can see all this. This is how Forex is. You wait for buyers to come into your shop and then you sell to them. You wait for buyers to come into your shop, you sell to them. This is for what? A bearish trend. Now let me now use a bullish trend for better understanding. Now look at this. Let's use this. Okay, perfect. Let's use this. Now you guys can see what we're having here. Look at buyers came into the picture. I sold. This is what my product that is out for sale. This is a product that is out for sale. And then I have buyers right here. They came and they bought all these products that were out for sale. They bought all those products that were out for sale. And then I placed another product for sale again. Now, what happened again? Then I have another buyers that came out and purchased all these products. That came and then purchased all these products. And now what happened again? I had to place another I placed another product for sale. And then all these buyers came out and then they purchased all my product. This is simple, guys. This is simple. This is simple. And I believe with all this explanation, those who are finding it difficult to actually understand how the market moves, you'll be able to, with all this, you would understand market structure. And when we get to market structure, you're going to understand this with all this. But then our next class, we're going to be talking on candlesticks. Yeah, candlesticks, because I know you guys don't understand what's happening on the charts right now. So we're going to be talking about candlestick, which is, I mean, all these particular candles you guys are seeing right here, they actually means something. And that's going to be the end of today's section. I'll be seeing you guys next class. Thank you.